Hi and welcome to Motorhomes. I'm Andy and today we've got this 2023 Adria Supreme Compact SL. Now it's got 4 travel seats and 3 berths. It's a 3.5 ton unit. It's a 140 auto and it's just a smidgen under 7 metres. But what's more impressive is the fact that it's a compact. So Dan, we're going to walk around this way, but I just want you to get a front on shot, because usually what you find with most coach builds is once you get to the end of the cab, they start to bow out. Well, as you can see, I mean, this thing's not really much more in width than a van conversion, but it does give you quite a bit more space, but we'll see that when we go inside. So let's have a look what we got on the outside to start off with. Fiat alloy wheels, of course. Electric hookup, just here. Flue for your heating. Cassette toilet. Gas locker, just there. Garage door you've got either side. We'll look inside on the other side. As you can see, it's set up ready to take a tow bar, and you've got a reversing camera just there. Now also on the roof, which is very impressive, is you've got solar panel, habitation air conditioning, that's a nice one, and of course you've got a TV aerial. Garage, as you can see, it's huge. You've got your tie downs in there as well, and again you've got power. So when you look up here, you can see you've got USB and USB-C, got a 12 volt, and we have a 230 up there as well. Awning brace just in there. Little electric point just there. Water filler just there. Of course you can see we've got the awning and the awning light just above. Let's take a look inside. So the first thing, as I said, it's on the 140 auto. And it's very well spec'd. You've got your things you'd expect, like your cab air conditioning just there. You've got traction plus, you've got your hill descent, you've got cruise control, you've got electric mirrors and electric windows, you've got cab blinds all the way around. What is very impressive is the amount of natural light, because obviously your windscreen, your 2 side windows, but you've got this huge panoramic roof just above us. And then literally just behind that, you've got a hecky. So there's loads of space. Now, like I say, this isn't much difference in width to what you're going to find on your normal van conversion, but you do gain a lot more living space. So again, as you would expect in a lot of Continental vans, you've got this half dinette area here, which you'll sit, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people quite comfortably. The table has an extender, which you'll pull out and then just drop up there. So again, 5 people can sit around and eat in comfort. Now, I would call this a very, very comfortable 4 travel seat, 2 berth. You can fit a third person in here, and you can do it in a couple of ways. Now the first one would be to drop this table down, so you just unhook it off the wall like so. That table leg folds in half and just locks into place. You then drop this down. Now there's a little bar just here, and you want to slide your table so it sits on that bar. You'd get your travel seat up to here. This comes off the back. Slide that in place there, and like I say, it gives you a small berth. Now also the bed at the back, it is 2 singles, but you can extend that. So again, if you had a child on board or something, you can easily fit a third in the centre. Or if you want to use it as a transverse bed, it gives you the option to be able to do that. As you can see, you've got your eyes fixed down there as well, which again is very impressive. And to put this back up, it's nice and easy. Press the button, and then you just slot it back onto the wall, and you can move it along that bar so you can have the table where you want it. Good storage up either sides. You do have a blind to cover that, so if the heat's bouting down on you as you're driving, you don't have to have your head boiled. Good storage there and there. More on this side. They are always a bit stiff. You have a wardrobe just here at the front, and you can see you've got your trips just in there as well. When we look underneath this seat, again you've got more storage, and you can see you've got your battery charger in there as well. So as we go underneath Here you can see you've got your boiler drain just there. It is the Continental, so if it gets down to 2 degrees or below, it will automatically dump any water in your boiler. Nice little safety feature there. And then very much as you'd expect in most Continental motorhomes. You've got your 3 gas hobs just there and your sink. Now what is quite nice, and Adria have put a lot of thought into this, if you get splashbacks, you get oil or something in there, it wipes straight down into the sink, so it doesn't cause as much mess. We've got a fly screen just there on the habitation door. Fridge opens both ways. Then we've got your gas isolator switches just here, and of course you've got your drawers underneath. Shower is particularly impressive in here as well, because when you look inside, you've got what you consider your quintessential normal wet room. You've got storage at the top, cassette toilet, wash basin, and of course we've got your mixer tap. But we can pull the wall across, and now we've got a separate shower cubicle. And again, if you look up above, we've actually got a skylight up there as well. So again, when it comes to condensation coming out of the van, it works a lot easier, and it's a lot easier to wipe down. Now, as we were saying, light is superb in here. Now, usually when you add habitation air conditioning, you lose a hecky and it has a problem with light coming into the vehicle. We've got hab aircon, but as you can see, it's incredibly light. We've got no lights on in here, and it's really not an issue at all, because practically all the front of the vehicle is open. And then we come to the rear. Now, in the rear, we've got these 2 good sized single beds. Underneath, good storage and hanging space in there. Same on the other side. This little step here also opens up, so there's more storage in there, and we have a drawer just in there. You've got TV prep in the rear here as well. Another skylight above, and again, more storage over the bed. What's also nice is you can see you've got your reading lights just here. They've got USBs in, so again, you can charge your phone up of an evening. Again, makes it nice and easy. We've got the curtain that will come across here as well, so it gives you some privacy when you're in bed. But as I was saying, this bed will extend, so you can just slide this piece out here. That then just literally sits in, and you can see you could use that easily as a large transverse, or you could sleep 3 people quite easily on there. So there you have it. It's a 2023 Adria Supreme Compact SL. It's done practically no mileage, it's in exceptional condition, and we won't have it for long. So if it's something you're interested in, you better give us a call pretty quick. Thanks for watching.